Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Students, myself Sri Kasle PB, Junior College Teacher, Department of Mathematics from Rayat Shikshan Samstha's RBNB College, Srirampur. Students, in the last lecture, we have seen or we have learned derivatives of logarithmic functions and examples based on it. Now in this lecture we have to study the derivatives of implicit functions. First we see here what is meant by implicit function and explicit function. First we see explicit function. Explicit function. If the value of y of the function f is entirely expressed as in terms of x, then we say that y is an explicit function of x. And examples for that, first example is y is equal to 5x square plus 6x minus 3. Second example, y is equal to sine of e raised to x plus tan of under root x. Third one is y is equal to sine inverse of e raised to x. All these are explicit functions. Okay. Now we see definition of implicit function. Implicit function. If an equation is given in x and y, in this equation y is not an explicit function of x and x is not an explicit function of y, that is, the terms of x and y are mixed form, then that function is called as implicit function. Now implicit function, example for implicit functions are, number first example, x plus y is equal to under root x plus under root y. This is the first function. Second function, e raised to x plus y is equal to x into y. Third function, sine of x plus y is equal to x minus y. Fourth one, x square plus y square is equal to 2xy. All these are implicit functions. Now we have to find derivatives of implicit functions. For the finding derivative of implicit function, derivative of implicit function. Now for finding the derivative of implicit function, first we have to find derivative of given function with respect to x, and suppose or treat the terms of y as a term of x, then take together terms of dy by dx, that is, take terms of dy by dx to the LHS and take remaining terms to the RHS, and finally find the value of dy by dx. Now we see examples of the implicit function, that is derivatives of implicit function. The first example is find dy by dx. Example, find dy by dx if x plus under root xy, if x plus under root xy plus y equal to 1. Now answer for this example, consider given equation our function, that is x plus under root x into y plus y equal to 1. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of under root xy. This is composite function. Suppose xy as f of x. Therefore, derivative of under root f of x is 1 upon 2 into under root f of x into f dash of x. Therefore, derivative of under root x into y is 1 upon 2 into under root x into y into dy dx of xy plus derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx equal to derivative of 1, which is constant term, derivative of 1 is 0. Now 1 plus 1 upon 2 into under root x into y. Now we here use product rule. We know that product rule, if y is equal to u into v, then dy by dx is equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Using this rule, we can find the derivative of x into y. X as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx plus y as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus dy by dx equal to 0. Okay. Now 1 plus, take here product, multiply by this term 1 upon 2 into under root xy to the bracket, then we get 1 upon 2 into under root xy into x into dy by dx plus y upon 2 into under root x into y plus dy by dx is equal to 0. Now keep terms of dy by dx to the LHS, that is x upon 2 into under root x into y into dy by dx plus dy by dx equal to, take remaining term to the other side, that is minus 1 minus y upon 2 into under root x into y. Okay. Now we can take dy by dx common here. Dy by dx into in bracket x upon 2 into under root x into y plus 1 equal to minus 1 minus y upon 2 into under root x into y. Now we take here addition, dy by dx into in bracket, take product of denominator at denominator, 2 into under root x into y, take cross multiplication at the numerator, x into 1 x plus 2 into under root xy into 1 is equal to 2 into under root x into y. Bracket complete, equal to, here also take addition, take product of denominators at denominator, that is 1 into 2 into under root xy, that is 2 into under root x into y, take cross product, minus 2 into under root xy minus 1 into y, that is minus y. Now keep term of dy by dx to the LHS, then we get here dy by dx is equal to, so take here minus sign common, minus into in bracket 2 into under root xy plus y upon 2 into under root xy, bracket complete, upon, take this bracket to the other side, then you can write here x plus 2 into under root xy upon 2 into under root xy. Now take reciprocal of denominator term, then we can write here dy by dx is equal to minus in bracket 2 into under root xy plus y upon 2 into under root xy into 2 into under root xy upon x plus 2 into under root xy. Okay, now this 2 into under root xy and 2 into under root xy cancel out, remains only dy by dx is equal to minus in bracket 2 into under root xy plus y upon x plus 2 into under root x into y. Now this is the value of dy by dx. Okay, now we see next example. Now second example is find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x into e raised to y plus y into e raised to x equal to 1. Now we see answer for this example. Consider given equation that is x into e raised to y plus y into e raised to x is equal to 1. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of x into e raised to y is, we use here product rule again, first function as it is into derivative of second function plus second function e raised to y as it is into derivative of first function x plus, here also use product rule, y as it is into derivative of e raised to x plus e raised to x as it is into derivative of y equal to derivative of 1 with respect to x. That is x into derivative of e raised to y, derivative of e raised to y, which is a composite function, derivative of e raised to y with respect to x is e raised to y into derivative of y dy by dx plus e raised to y into derivative of x is 1 plus y into derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x plus e raised to x into dy by dx equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Okay, now keep terms of dy by dx to the LHS, that is x into e raised to y into dy by dx plus e raised to x into dy by dx equal to, take remaining term to the RHS, then we can write here minus e raised to y minus y into e raised to x. Now further we can take dy by dx common to the LHS, therefore dy by dx into in bracket x into e raised to y plus e raised to x equal to, here take minus sign common, minus into in bracket e raised to y plus y into e raised to x. Now further take this bracket to the other side, this becomes in division form, that is dy by dx is equal to minus in bracket e raised to y plus y into e raised to x upon x into e raised to y plus e raised to x. Now this is the value of dy by dx for the given function. Okay, now we see one more example here. Next example, Next example is find dy by dx if cos of x into y equal to x plus y. Answer for this: consider given equation, that is cos of x into y is equal to x plus y. Now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of cos of x plus y with respect to x equal to derivative of x plus y with respect to x. Now here this is the composite function cos of x plus y. Suppose x plus y as f of x, then we know that derivative of cos of f of x is minus sin of f of x into f dash of x. Using this formula, derivative of cos of x plus y is minus sin of x plus y into dy dx of x plus y equal to, we use here addition rule, take separate derivative, dy dx of x plus dy dx of y. Now further, minus sin of x plus y into we can take here product sin of x into y. Now here we use product rule, divide dx of x into y, sin of x into y into, in bracket, first function as it is x into dy by dx plus second function y as it is derivative of x is 1 is equal to derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus dy by dx. Okay, now take here multiplication, minus x into sin of x into y, sin of x into y, minus x into sin of x into y into dy by dx minus sin of x into y, that is minus y into sin of x into y is equal to 1 plus dy by dx. Now take terms of dy by dx to the LHS, that is minus x into sin of x into y into dy by dx minus dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y into sin of x into y. Now take dy by dx common to the LHS, then we can write here dy by dx into, in bracket, minus x into sin of x into y minus 1 is equal to 1 plus y into sin of x into y. Now keep dy by dx to the LHS and take this term other side, then we can write dy by dx equal to 1 plus y into sin of x into y upon minus x into sin of x into y minus 1. Now finally we can take minus sign comma at denominator, therefore dy by dx equal to minus into, in bracket, 1 plus y into sin of x into y upon 1 plus x into sin of x into y, 1 plus x into sin of x into y. Now this is the value of dy by dx, 1 plus y into sine of xy upon 1 plus x into sine of x into y. Okay, now we see next example. Now next example is find dy by dx find dy by dx if x plus sine of x plus y, x plus sine of x plus y equal to y minus cos of x minus y, cos of x minus y. Now answer for this example. Consider given equation, that is x plus sine of x plus y is equal to y minus cos of x minus y. Now we can differentiate this equation with respect to x. Therefore, right here differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 plus derivative of sine of x plus y with respect to x is cos of x plus y into derivative of x plus y with respect to x equal to derivative of y dy by dx minus derivative of cos of x minus y is minus sine of x minus y into derivative of x minus y, because this is a composite function. Cos of x minus y is composite function. Now further, 1 plus cos of x plus y into derivative of x plus y is 1 plus dy by dx equal to dy upon dx minus into minus plus sine of x minus y into derivative of x minus y by using subtraction rule. Derivative of x is 1 minus derivative of y is dy by dx. Now we can take product here. Multiply by cos of x plus y to the bracket, and here also multiply by sine of x minus y to this bracket. We get here 1 plus cos of x plus y plus cos of x plus y into dy by dx equal to dy by dx plus sine of x minus y minus sine of x minus y into dy by dx. Now further take terms of dy by dx to the LHS. Therefore, cos of x plus y into dy by dx as it is. Now take this term, this becomes plus sine of x minus y into dy by dx and minus dy by dx equal to, take remaining term to the other side, that is this term 1 and cos of x plus y. Therefore we can write here sine of x minus y as it is minus cos of x plus y minus y. Now to the LHS take dy by dx common. Therefore we can write here dy by dx into in bracket cos of x plus y plus sin of x minus y minus 1 equal to sin of x minus y minus cos of x plus y minus 1. Now keep dy by dx to the LHS and take this bracket to the other side. Then we can write here dy by dx equal to, in bracket, cos of x plus y plus sin of x minus y minus 1 upon sin of x minus y minus cos of x plus y minus 1. This is the value of dy by dx. Cos of x plus y plus sin of x minus y minus 1 upon sin of x minus y minus or you can write here this term as it is, sin of x minus y minus cos of x plus y minus 1 upon this term cos of x plus y plus sin of x minus y minus 1. Okay, this is the value of dy by dx, which is sin of x minus y minus cos of x plus y minus 1 upon cos of x plus y plus sin of x minus y minus 1. So this is the answer for given example. Derivative of x plus sin of x plus y equal to y minus cos of x minus y. So students, in the next lecture we have seen some examples based on implicit function. Now today we will stop here.